Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths S1. In today's video, which is video number 3 on geometric distribution, which is a part of the syllabus of A-level mathematics S1, code is 9709. In this video, we will apply the 5 rules we have studied before. In detail, we have seen the reason why is 1 equivalent to this rule. You can find the link in the description below to inquire. In the MF19, you will be given only 2 formulae, this one and this one. The rest are not given there. So that's why you need to understand how do you get it, or if you have a good memory, then you can learn it by heart. And we have also seen that the geometric distribution is written like this. What is the reason and what is the expectation of geometric distribution? You can find the QR code here for all the videos I have made on P1 and S1. You can scan it and watch more videos on maths. So let's just start with the question. In this video, I have taken 2 questions. 2% of all bulbs produced by company AB has a defect. So the bulb which have no defect, what is the probability of that? 98%, right? So 0.98. So in geometric distribution, if you look at the distribution here, it is P, which is 0.02. So this is your question, information given to you. First part of the question, what is the probability that the 8th bulb selected has a defect? So it means we have to find out this. And it means at the 8th number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here the bulb which has defect was identified. Before that, the bulbs selected were not defective. So if you see this formula is straight away given to you, you can plug in this formula. Your Q is 0.98, R is 8, P is 0.02, and you can get the answer. Right? This is straightforward. And here is the logic defined to you that 7th time it was not defective and 8th time it was defective. And that's why the probability is 0.98 power 7 because of each one of them. And P is 0.02, and finally you got the answer. So both ways it is okay and acceptable. Part B. Part B is saying what is the probability that the first defect is identified among the first 5 samples. It means first 5 sample means maybe the first time it was defective bulb, or maybe first time no, second time yes, first, second time no, third time yes, first, second, third no, not defective, fourth time defective, 1, 2, 3, 4, not defective and defective. This is the meaning of the question, and that's why it was saying what? Probability of X is less than or equals to 5. This is the meaning of the question, right? So it means you will calculate the probability of each one of them according to which formula, which I have told you. For probability of X equals to R, what is it? Q, R minus 1, P power 1. So you will apply this formula for each one of them and add up the probability. This is what I have done here. This is one method, right? I have done every step in detail. You can skip and write directly this step. And then I have taken the common factor out, substituted the values and got the answer. Or what can I do? Because this is reminding me probability of X less than equals to R. So we have studied that the formula is here. Less than equals to R is this formula. You can see here. It is 1 minus Q power N. So whatever the power is here, this one, same is the power. So I'm going to apply here this formula. Right? And I got the answer here. So now in part 1 and part 2, we have seen these 2 formulae. Right? So now this question is here for you to try and check your understanding. And then I will show it to you, the solution I have done here. So you can put the video on pause and solve it. However, I am showing you the solution here to avoid the long length of the video. The formula 5 formula I have written here for your reference, quick reference. So you can use them to get the answer. Okay, so video on pause, you are trying, but I'm showing you the solution. Ali is playing a board game in which he needs to throw a 6 with an ordinary dice in order to start the game. So it is just like a game when you throw a dice. If you don't get 6, you cannot start the game, so you keep trying every time. So first time is exactly 4 attempts are needed to obtain 6. So what does it mean? First, second, third, fourth. So here success happens. Before that it did not. So I'm not now doing dashes which I was using to explain, but now I'm writing straight away the formula which I have written on the right hand side. So probability of exactly 4th attempts mean this. So it will follow the first formula. So probability of 6 is what? 1 over 6. And not 6 is 5 over 6. Right? Which I have mentioned here. Then at least 2 attempts are needed. What is the meaning of at least? It means greater than or equals to 2. So now you have to find out the probability of x greater than equals to 2 for part 2. So which formula you will apply here? This one, the 5th one. And now I'm repeating, only 1 and 2 formula are given in MF19. The rest are not. So you need to watch the videos that how did we get these formulae, so that you do not make mistake in the exam, right? Okay, I hope you are understanding. What is a part C? He is successful in throwing a 6 in 3 or 4 attempts. So either it is 6 throws or it is 3 or less, which means probability of x less than or equals to 3. It is this case, which is equivalent to this one, 1 minus q power n. Achha, by the way, before we start this, I just noticed here that I went into the logical way of doing it, that x greater than equals to 2. So if I try straight away this formula here, which is 5 over 6, 2 minus 1, then also you will get the answer, same answer, right? Which is same as this. Okay. So it depends if you want to apply or logically you are going, or you are applying straight away the formula. Both are okay. So now the third part is, he is successful in throwing a 6 in 3 or fewer attempts. Probability of x is less than equals to 3. One method is what? That less than equals to 3 mean 1, 2, 3. And you do all this. Or second method is straight away apply this formula, which is 1 minus qn. So I have solved this question by both the methods to show you that you can do it. See here, both are giving you same answer, 0.421. Right? So both are okay. Part D, he needs more than 3 attempts to obtain 6. More than 3 attempts mean, now this is the question, greater than 3. Now greater than 3 is this part. So it is what? Q power n. Let's see here. Formula are here for you. You see, I'm trying to explain here the logic also. I'm trying to connect everything with the formula which will be given to you in MF19, and this is what I'm trying to do here. Whereas at the end I got q power 3, which was given here. So you got the answer correct, 0.58. So I hope you understood. This need a little practice, and then it will come onto your fingertips and you will find it easy to handle. So in video 4, yes, I'm solving little different type of questions or geometric application distribution. So please press like and subscribe button so that you can get the indication of my videos immediately. And do write constructive comments, which is a source of encouragement for me as well. Thank you very much. Please press like, subscribe button. Take care. Allah.